Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Knowles, a mixed media textile artist. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I've been busy getting ready for a class that I'm teaching out of town, and I still have a lot of work to do. But I wanted to stop in and share with you a quick look at some fabrics I've created recently and to announce a giveaway. So be sure and stick around until the end of the video to learn about the giveaway and how you can enter. So this is the first fabric I want to share with you. And this fabric I created by rolling the fabric around a PVC pipe. It was about 1¼ inches in diameter, and I loosely rolled the fabric around the pipe, added some rubber bands to the fabric to hold it in place, and then scrunched it all together. The dyes that I used was a burnt orange color and a black. I used a pipette to apply the burnt orange color to the fabric, and then I came back and applied some black sparingly. I didn't apply a whole lot of black because I didn't want it to overwhelm the orange. I call this a faux shibori technique because it gives that shibori look, but it's not really a true shibori. Now this next fabric was done the very same way. This time I used a red violet cover, I think it was called mulberry, and black. Again, I wrapped the fabric loosely around the pole, added some rubber bands and scrunched it together, and then using pipettes, I applied the mulberry color first and then a small amount of black. I really love this technique by adding the black because some of these colors are very, very bright and I prefer a little more muted colors. Adding the black just tones everything down just a little bit, but not too much. Well, I hope you guys stuck around to the end here. I want to announce a fabric giveaway. Last week, I reached my first YouTube milestone with 100 subscribers, and to celebrate, I will be giving away the 2 fabrics I showed today, plus several others. I haven't picked the other ones out yet, but I promise you, they will be just as beautiful as these. To enter, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below and let me know which of these 2 fabrics you like best, the orange one or the red violet one, and also let me know what you'd like to see on this channel. Go ahead and leave a comment, and for the next Fabric Friday, I will choose a winner. Now, you don't have to subscribe to enter this, but it would be very nice if you do. I'd really like to continue the momentum I've started to build on my channel, and by subscribing, you could help me do that. So go ahead, leave me a comment, and if you'd like, subscribe, and then hit that bell so you'll be notified of any new videos I upload. Well, as I said, this was going to be short and sweet, so I will end it right here, but I hope to see you back here sometime again soon. But until then, have a beautiful day.